Hey, everyone! Today we're going to learn how to manage records in Engini tables. Records are the rows in your table that represent different types of values corresponding to the columns. The content of each row is populated according to your data, making it easy to organize and manage your information. First, navigate to Tables from your Engini homepage and select a table. To add a record to your table, simply click on the plus icon located at the bottom of the table. This will create a new row where you can input your data. You have two options for editing a record. The first option is to click directly on the record and change its value right there in the row. The second option is to click on the three dots located on the left side of the record. If you choose the three dots, you can select Edit to enter the record's details and make your changes. If you need to duplicate a record, start by clicking on the checkbox to the left of the record. You can select one or multiple records by clicking additional checkboxes. Once selected, click on the circle to duplicate the chosen records. There are two ways to delete records. You can delete one or more records by clicking on the checkbox to the left of the record you want to delete. You can select multiple records by clicking additional checkboxes, or select all records at once by clicking the checkbox next to the header. If you want to delete a single record, you can also click on the three dots on the left side of the row you want to delete and select Delete. Then, click Accept to confirm your deletion. And that's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.